welcome to Food Trail with me, Shubhra Mukherjee. This time we're in Delhi's Chandni Chowk because this is where the first ever Bengali sweet shop opened. We're heading into Annapurna Bhandar, so come and join me. Chandni Chowk, the oldest and the busiest part of Old Delhi. Everyone here is always on the move. But even in the middle of all this hectic pace and these bustling streets, they find the time to visit one place to indulge their sweet tooth. The Annapurna Bhandar, bang opposite the Shishganj Gurdwara and the famous Big White Fountain. Established in 1929, this shop had become the dream project of railway employee Mohini Mohan Mukherjee after he was injured in a freak accident in 1920. And since then, its Rasagollas have acquired a reputation of their own. I met with one of the three grandsons who are keeping the tradition alive today.
से करीब 84 साल हो गया। अब आगे हम कोशिश करेंगे जितना अच्छा से अच्छा हो सके मिठाई लोगों को सेवा में लाए। और बंगाली मिठाई सिर्फ चांदनी चौक में ही है और बाकी दूसरे इलाके में है। बाकी लोग आज ज़्यादातर पसंद करते हैं चांदनी चौक घूमना भी होता है, मिठाई खाना भी होता है। जो बंगाली मिठाई के लिए लोग चांदनी चौक में आते हैं। और आगे कोशिश रहेगी कि हमारी जो आगे हम और अच्छा से अच्छा मिठाई और ज़्यादा वैरायटी लोगों के लिए ला सके।
A painting of Old Delhi in the 1870s takes you back to a past when time flowed at its own serene pace. But nostalgia doesn't stop this little sweet shop from working around the clock to make and serve its famous confections.
Annapurna is a very important sweet shop of Chandni Chowk. It has got a variety of sweets and it is being relished by most of the people. It has got definitely a very different taste. I am coming to this shop since 1991. I was in charge of laxity of this area and most of the people are known to me. They are courteous also. And shops, these sweets have got different taste and everybody should relish it.
Annapurna Bhandar can count among its many fans the President of India, VIPs, and of course the public. That's because of attention it pays to both quality and variety. You get to choose from 30 kinds of sweets, from the Anandabhog, Gulab Khas, Honeydew, Rasagollas, Sandesh, and Mishti Doi. So without any more delay, I proceed with my taste test. Now this is the very famous Rasgulla that I am having. What Mr. Shishir just said, it is definitely the spongiest I've ever had. Now this is the Kheer Kodombo. The Kheer Kodombo is a very interesting sweet. It is covered in kheer and inside you'll find the best surprise. Inside is a soft spongy little Rasgulla and when you take a bite in it, the sweets over here are the best you will get in Delhi, the authentic ones and the most delicious ones. After the sweets come the salty treats, and Annapurna has its share of them with shingaras and nimkis. This section of course may seem short on variety, but the little triangular wonders don't lack a following of their own.
This is the namkeen, and these taste exactly the way my father makes them on Sunday mornings. It's a staple food of Bengalis, and this is best if you just have a cup of tea, take this, dip it in, and bite. This is the best evening snack that you'll ever get. Now this is a samosa, or a singhara you can call it, because every Bengali knows this product by the name of singhara. The Bengali version of this dish is very spicy. It's different from the other singharas that you'll find in the market. It has potatoes in it, and it is very spicy, of course, little tangy, but then it will just suit everybody's taste buds.
But sweets, of course, are the flavors of every season, and Annapurna Bhandar promises to serve them to the young and the old, always with a smile.
Now this is the sweetest ever food trail that I've ever done. And why not? It's the time of festivals. So I wish all my friends a very happy Dashera and of course, Shubha Vijaya. It's over to you, Tina.